a free indicator brought to you by Myforex. Today, we'll take a look at the Fibonacci Auto Draw Indicator, a tool that draws 3 different types of Fibonacci lines on the chart. Normally, traders have to draw their own Fibonacci lines, but this indicator will automatically draw them for you based on the technical indicator zigzag, which automatically calculates the high and low price. If you switch the time frame, the values calculated by the zigzag would change accordingly, along with the Fibonacci lines. Myforex's Fibonacci Auto Draw Indicator draws the 3 most used lines: the retracement, expansion, and fan. You can check the dip and rallies and the target points at a glance, helping you read the chart faster. You can also show and hide the Fibonacci lines to your liking. The tool also features an alert that notifies you when the Fibonacci indicator has reached a certain threshold. This will help you make fast decisions even when you don't have access to a trading chart. Please note, in order to use the Fibonacci Auto Draw Indicator, you must have the zigzag tool installed on MetaTrader. If you deleted it by accident or changed your settings, the Fibonacci tool won't work properly. Furthermore, you can only set an alert to one of the Fibonacci lines. If you wish to set another alert to a different Fibonacci line, simply apply a new Fibonacci Auto Draw Indicator on the chart. That's it for the Fibonacci Auto Draw Indicator. Please refer to the user manual for more details. We hope that this tool will help you in your daily trades.